A rectangular cube has lengths 40 meter by 30 meter by 20 meters. Question number 1. What is the volume in meter cube? What is the volume in meter cube? Question number 2. If we fill it with dirt, what is the volume in cubic yards? Question number 3. If we fill it with water, what is the volume in gallons? Lengths 40 by 30 by 20. 40 by 30 by 20. A rectangular cube has lengths 40 meter by 30 meter by 20 meters. What is the volume in meter cube? Let's assume this is length. Let's assume this is width. And let's assume that this is the height. So volume is length times width times height. So what do we get? 40 times 30 times 20. 40 times 30 is 1200. 1200 times 20 is 24,000. And what do we have? Length is in meters, width is in meters, height is in meters. So meter times meter times meter. So what do we get? We get meter cube. When I was age 10 or 12 years old, I used to like this formula, base area times height. As long as you have uniform shapes, you can always use base area times height. So you have 40 times 30 times 20. So what do we get? 24,000. And what is meter times meter times meter? It is meter cube. So 24,000 meter cube. So what is the volume in meter cube? 24,000. Can you imagine 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter cubes? We can fit 24,000 of those into our volume. So volume is 24,000 meter cube. It's as good as 24,000 boxes of dimensions 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter. Question number 2 is, how do we convert from cubic meter to cubic yard? How do we convert from cubic meter to cubic yard? So we need the conversion, and for the conversion we have 1 cubic meter is equal to 1.3079562 cubic yard. If I know the conversion, then it becomes a little more easy. 24,000 meter cube is 24,000 meter cube times 1. And then what do? We replace 1 in such a way that the meter cube cancels. So you have to put meter cube at the bottom. And what is equal to 1 meter cube? 1.3079562 cubic yard. Immediately you see that meter cube and meter cube, they cancel. And what does not cancel? It is the cubic yard. That does not cancel. So we get our answer in cubic yards. So what is it? 24,000 times 1.3079562, and that is 31,390.81 cubic yards. 24,000 meter cube is equal to 31,390.81 cubic yards. And question number 3, how do we convert 24,000 meter cube to gallons? Again, we need the conversion, and 1 cubic meter is equal to 264.172052 US gallons. So again, we take 24,000 meter cube, multiply by 1, replace 1 in such a way that we cancel meter cube. And what is 1 meter cube in US gallons? 264.172052 US gallons. Immediately you see that meter cube and meter cube cancels, and what do we get? We get US gallons. So it is 6,340,129.248. 6,340,129.248 US gallons. So that's what we have. First we found the volume, length times width times height. It is length times width times height because of the shape. And what is the volume? 24,000 meter cube. Then we converted 24,000 meter cube to cubic yard. And then we converted 24,000 meter cube to US gallons. And this is George Mathew signing off. Please come back.